It's Monday, the 25th of April, 2016. This is a chart update for the US dollar gold price. I've been talking about this for a while now. At last video, I said this sort of 1200 level looks like the line in the sand, still playing out as a potential head and shoulders top here. There was a big smackdown on Thursday night, Australian time. There was a few ECB announcements, I think a press conference, a little bit of currency gyration as well. So that's probably played a part there. I think there was a big order that smashed the price down, sort of 20 or 30 bucks in a very short space of time. I still like this trend here. You know, I've talked about before that we haven't had this sort of sideways trend for 3 or 4 years in the gold market. It's been very volatile. Any move up has been sold into quickly. You know, here and here as well. A few red bars, and then it's game over, and we're back down toward the bottom of the range or making a new low. But we're definitely seeing some different price action now. You know, I like this sort of being an uptrending formation as well. Here you can see here it's not getting toward each low. You know, here it looked like it might coming back and go through 1200, but it's gradually inching up those higher lows. So you'd want to see it hold that. But yeah, there is potential for a head and shoulders top here, but I think you've got to be aware that some of the gold stocks might be getting a little bit overbought here. But the gold price still looks good. Some of the gold stocks might be running ahead of it. It could stay in this range for another month or two. But I think that's very healthy as long as it stays above this 1200 line in the sand. So I think everything's still on the positive side there. But just be aware that with some of those stocks being so oversold, any break of that psychological 1200 level, I think will probably be pretty vicious in some of the speculative gold stocks, at least explorers and the high cost producers. But the gold price itself looks solid at this point.